it's a small community, but it's a big community. So, you know, if I can use what I learned or what I went through to help one of you, then that will help me. Just, I had to understand that what was making my image look so bad, and understand why, because it didn't look like that on the screen. Different once the image printed out, and it printed out so good, and I was wondering, like, why am I getting this? Why am I getting these grainy looking images? I'm getting these grainy looking images, and it was bothering me, you know. It was bothering me that I was getting a lot of grainy images, really grainy images. And the problem arose again. And I tried again, and I didn't do anything different. And I got the same result again. So I'm like, dang, what am I doing wrong? I couldn't figure it out. I kept doing the same thing over and over. Until I figured, like, okay, hold on, let me stop. Let me reassess and see what did I do wrong. Because, you know, from my point, I thought I was following directions, but I wasn't, because certain things you have to learn just from doing. You have to learn things just from doing, and doing them on your own to see what works and how it works. Not just reading instructions, but trying it on your own to see if it works. You know, a lot of times you might read something and think, oh, okay, it's easy, I can do that. Then you do it and you're like, dang, it's another step that they don't tell you about. And that's kind of with sublimation is what I was doing. So I was trying to sublimate a t-shirt, and my heat was off, the temperature was off, and my peel I was using a hot peel. So as soon as it come off, I was pulling it off, and it wasn't done. The ink wasn't done setting and drying yet before I could peel it off. So every time I got that, the design was distorted, and it was frustrating. So once I figured that out, I said, okay, I know I have to wait. I have to wait a while before I peel it off. So what I started doing the cold peels, which actually wasn't a bad idea, because everything is tight, it's back still intact. So when you peel it off, it's already on the shirt. It's already set and everything on the shirt. All you peeling off is the paper. But I didn't know that at first. You know, that image was giving me trouble. And my temperature was wrong also. So this is another factor that had me, you know, upset, because my temperature was off. I didn't think it mattered that much if my temperature was off a couple here and there or under. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.